Hello guys, yeah, thank you for following Eden. Possibly I talked about an adapter, and this is an electrical appliance, or some people call it an extension. It assists in the connection of our appliances at a go. As you know, for domestic appliances, sometimes we usually want to charge your phone at the same time you're listening to music, at the same time doing something else. So that's the reason as to why we have the adapter or the extension put in place. So it was invented for purposes of connecting more than one appliance at the same time. So the purpose for our adapter, you can see this is a 6-slot adapter. It has around 6 slots. Yeah. So the main purpose for an adapter is to prevent the overloading. As you can see, for this room, it has only this twin socket. So for this twin socket of ours cannot handle more than 2 appliances. So for purposes of increasing the connection and making work easier, we have to go and purchase an adapter. So how do you know that an adapter, the adapter you want, is of good quality? So for an adapter to be an adapter of good quality, first and foremost, an adapter has this plug. This is the one that you insert into the twin socket. Okay. Then it has a cable. This is a full cable. It has a cable connecting it to this main body. So I begin with this plug. So the plug is the one we insert into the socket. So our plug, how do you know that this is a good adapter and it is of good quality? First and foremost, the plug should have well tight nuts. So its joints should be well tight. Okay, they shouldn't be loose. In case they are loose, it can easily cause some damages, just like short circuits or leakages. So they should be tight. That is one. Another thing, always look for this. It should be fused inside. That means it should have some fuse inside to prevent damage of appliances in case of high current from the supply. Okay. So always check for this one at the back, fuse it. Okay. Then also check for that symbol. Okay. Now slope. When our current enters, it will come through the cable. So the cable should be well insulated, as you can see. It should be well insulated cable. Like that. Then this is a 6-slot. The board has 6 slots here. So for the current enters now through this. After reaching this, I have this body now. So the purpose for the video is to make sure that we identify is the adapter a good one, good quality of it, or it is a counterfeit appliance. So here you see it was made in China. Most people usually have bias on the country from which the appliance was made, but one of the most things that you should check for is this marking, the CE marking. This is one of the markings that indicate that our adapter is a suitable one. Okay. And always check for its printings. For a genuine adapter, you'll find the printing of very good grammar, and given that each and everything will be well displayed and you'll not have difficulties. So you see this power king, then extension socket, then module ICCP, then /6 voltage SC as the voltage recommended for households, frequency for households, then it's power that can hold. Yeah, see the temperature. Yeah, so as you can see, still the connections are tight, so they should make sure these things are tight. Another thing is not too light, in that it has some weight at least. Of course, I don't expect an adapter to be of very high weight, but at least hold it and feel like you're holding something, and not feel like you're holding a fella. Come on, okay? So you have to do some testing for the appliance. As you can see in this video, I've now connected our adapter to the socket. Okay, so there's current flowing through the cable, then to our body here. Okay, and of course, as I see here, see this is the indicator light. So the indicator light is on, so indicating that there's flow of power within this adapter of ours. Therefore, it can conduct power, and therefore it is original for us. For that case, therefore it is an original adapter. Yeah, you can see the labelings, precautions, quality, products, model, like that. Yeah, that is the main thing about adapters. And there are very many different types. They have different shapes. There's some sort of long and rectangular shape, but there are also those which are circular, those which are different modes. Yeah, different modes, but mainly always avoid being cheated. Another thing is that the price at which you buy this adapter. Always ensure you have a range in which the prices of adapters lie. Okay, you can get someone with a cheaper adapter, but it might be cheap, but you also use it for a very, very short time, that it will not even spend more than a year, and there you're risking, and that is not value for money. So your money should be valued. Instead of buying something at a very cheaper price, and then it becomes spoiled within a shortest period of time, at least buy an appliance that will be able to serve for a longer time, even if it might seem so of a very bigger cost, but you will be saving yourself from extra costs. I relate this to the saying that cheap things are always expensive, but of course I'm not saying you should go for very expensive things, but please ensure it is of a reasonable price. Then make sure the connections are such a point the joints are not loose. Then you can also carry out continuity tests, maybe using multimeter. Unfortunately, this video have no multimeters by now, so maybe possibly in the coming videos I'll be indicating multimeter. As per now, yeah, that's all I had about the adapter. So in case of any question, in case of anything I've not exhausted, can take time and ask in your comments. Yeah, remain Eden. Thank you.